And one of the differences that occurs to me is that AI is a technology. A lot of AI tools, it could be an agent on a system. It could be something web-based like ChatGPT or something like that. And you mentioned MCP also. You need to think about how you're doing discovery differently than we did with Shadow IT. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's very correct. I think in traditional world, as you had mentioned, using firewall or using some kind of discovery in the cloud at the edge, you would probably be able to find web apps in general. Those were traditional shadow IT. Right now, today, the organizations are dealing with very different things. It's MCPs, it's agents, it's LLM. The call behind the scenes is all models. It's not, the traditional web apps that you saw. So the discovery is a bit different. The visibility, the ways to sort of understand what all shadow AI is present in the organization is quite different in that sense. If you're using LLMs or agents, MCPs on the desktop, you need some kind of traffic from the endpoint itself, local itself. And most of the developers, most of the employees are using those actually on the desktop. People think, it's something in the browser that they want to secure. Employees are using in browser some kind of ChatGPT or Shadow AI tool. But it's really on the desktop, they're using the full like CloudBot or, some kind of an agent, spinning up an MCP server, or maybe in their IDEs like Cloud or GitHub Copilot. So the way to discover is to have some kind of, visibility in all these three places, the browser, the IDE, the local. So that is very different from what you saw in the traditional world when you're saying, right, like the firewall used to be able to discover all of those assets. Now you need to sit on the cloud, on the endpoint, in the browser, on the desktop, everywhere kind of to understand where AI assets are present.